everybody, and welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be doing a very exciting video. It's kind of going to be like a first impressions demo kind of thing on this guy right here. Now, this is something that I got in my April BoxyCharm, and I was so intrigued because I had seen a couple of these kinds of products before, like advertised online, like the face halo. This is called the Original Makeup Eraser, and basically it's like a microfiber towel, I think, that erases all of your makeup with just water. Now, I don't know about you, most of the time I use a cleansing oil, sometimes I use face wipes, but I wanted to just kind of demo this for you today. I have a very full face of makeup on. I was actually wearing lashes, but I pulled them off because I was like, we're gonna take them off anyway. But I have a dark lip, I have like waterproof wing liner. I really wanted to put this to the test and just see how it performs because this is a really great eco-friendly alternative to wipes and stuff like that. So yeah, if you're interested and curious to see me demo this bad boy here, don't forget to please subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell so you know when I post, and without further ado, let's go ahead and get on into it. Okay, so I love this packaging. I also have a little card right here. I will say, if you're interested in this product, they have a code right here. You can enjoy 20% off on makeuperaser.com if you use code BOXY20, so that's cool. And basically, this says, this is an info card, 1.3 billion wipes used daily, 100 years for a makeup wipe to break down. So this is more of a sustainable option if you're trying to cut the wipes because they can be wasteful. You use it one time and then you throw it away. But yeah, let's just open this bad boy. It's cruelty-free, vegetarian and vegan friendly, EU approved, hypoallergenic, all good stuff. I actually love this. It's antibacterial, reusable, lasts 3 to 5 years, great for sensitive skin, and saves money, obviously. Free of alcohol, oils, estrogens, parabens, dyes, fragrance, and sulfates. Oh my gosh, this is so soft. This feels like a cozy throw blanket. Oh my goodness. Oh, it has a little card in here too. Okay, cute. Frequently asked questions. Okay, we're gonna go over this in a little bit, but I want to just show you. This is what it looks like. It's so cute and colorful. It's so soft. Like, this feels like one of those soft, like cozy throws that you would just buy, like one of those blankets. And this is made of 100% polyester. You can machine wash it hot, wash with towel load, fabric softener, and dryer safe. So that is really, really nice. I love the size of this, and let's just dig into how to use it. Okay, so they have an erasing side and an exfoliating side, according to the card. I don't know if you can see. I don't know which side is which. This side definitely feels a little bit softer. I don't know if you guys can tell the difference. And this side definitely looks a little bit, I mean, it's very subtle. I don't even know if this is a difference. This side seems a little bit fuzzier, and then this side just seems a little bit smoother. So we'll see. And I use cleanser, micellar water, or any other products with my makeup eraser. You only need warm water. However, you definitely can. If you do, be sure to thoroughly rinse excess product. So this is very interesting. My only concern is between wipes. I'm obviously not going to throw this in a washer every time. And if I wear makeup, I'm not wearing makeup every day now because I'm working from home, but on days where I do wear makeup to work every day, I'm curious like if it's sanitary or hygienic to just keep using it after a wash, but then it seems wasteful to wash it every time, or if I move it down my face. Okay, it's saying to machine wash it first. I did not know that, but we're not going to do that because I wanted this to be like a first impression and I didn't know. So this may be a bust, but I'm giving you my true organic thoughts. But yeah, number 1 says to wet. So we're going to soak it in warm water. Pro tip, use in sections, wash approximately 1 to 2 times per week. Okay, cool. So I'm going to go and wet this guy and I will be right back. I did wash this in hot water and soak this so it really could just penetrate everything. And it says the warmer and the wetter, the better. So that's good. And then I just wrung it out. Okay, and then it's saying number 2, erase. Use the short fiber side to erase makeup in gentle circular motions. So this is the erasing side, I believe. This is the shorter fiber. So we're going to erase the makeup in gentle circular motions. So this is really exciting. I'm gonna put my headband back. It does dry pretty fast. Obviously, I'm running back and forth between my sink and my vanity, but let's see. Oh my goodness. I'm gonna do one side of my face. Gentle circular motions, they say, so. Oh my goodness. Holy crap. Yeah, and I'm just using the top of my thing because they say work in sections. Obviously, I don't want to dirty this whole thing just this one time. Let's take off half of my lip. Oh my goodness. Yeah. Holy crap. That's actually working. Let me get a smaller mirror. That was actually taking it off. And dark lip colors tend to stain. But wow. Okay. Yes. And then I'm just going to, I have glitter on my eyes, so let's see how this goes. I'm trying not to tug too much, but basically it says that the fibers act as kind of like a magnet and stick to your makeup to really just pull it off your skin. Now obviously the glitter you can see is flying everywhere because obviously it's a loose glitter, but oh my goodness. My skin looks clean. Obviously I'm gonna wash it, but I just wanted to show you a half and half. That took off my liquid liner so well. Wow, did you guys see that? I haven't cut any of the footage, so you could really see. I'm just getting around here. The loose glitter, it's inevitable. It's gonna stay on my face for a while, even after I use a face cleanser, because glitter just has this pesky little way of sticking onto your skin. I'm sure anyone who's worn loose glitter, you understand that, but holy crap, I am impressed with this. Okay. I really wanted to do a video on this because this was by far the most intriguing thing I had got in my box. Okay, so you can see right now my face looks so, it's obviously like not clean. I still have to wash it. I always recommend you wash your face after you remove it with a makeup wipe or whatever. But what I love about this is, as you can imagine, because it's not a makeup wipe, it's not an oil, there's no greasy residue on my face. Like it doesn't feel tight, it doesn't feel oily, it doesn't feel like I have the need to just like rinse everything off right away. It just feels like my skin, which is freaking awesome. Like, holy crap, this is really, really cool. The only thing is, as I mentioned, obviously since you would be doing this at your bathroom on a normal day, you could just rerun this underwater, but this is really awesome. I'm going to just remove the other half of my face now. And I love that it's so soft, honestly. Okay, I'm gonna take this and just kind of remove my eyeliner. And this just removes the eyeliner so easily. Glitter is just the only pesky thing, but that liquid liner, normally I would have to go in with a makeup wipe and then go in with another micellar cleanser to just specifically target my lip and eye, just because those are where, you know, we have like lipstick and eyeliner and things like that that can really just like stick to your skin. But I think this did a great job. And I had lash glue on too, and lash glue usually takes a couple, not a couple days, it's gross, but it takes a little bit more than just cleaning your face with a makeup remover to go away. Like I would have to actually wash my face to get rid of that completely because it's between my lashes. But so far so good. Wow. Okay, here is my whole face on this towel. You can see I try not to go below the midpoint, even though this is still actually wet down here and it's actually kind of dripping. So I guess you wouldn't need to really wet this again. Let me just put this here. But wow, okay. I like that. There's no sensation. It just feels really clean. And I honestly thought it was going to be weird because I'm so used to removing my face with a residue. I didn't think like how it would feel just removing it with a towel. And I thought that was actually going to be a little bit weird, but no, this did a great job. And I'm very impressed. Okay, the final step is to exfoliate. So flip to the long fiber side, the side with the tag right here. And we're going to exfoliate, continue, in gentle circular motion. So I'm assuming this is to penetrate the skin even further. So because the side's kind of dripping down here, I'm going to use this end of the towel for the exfoliation part and just, oh, okay. Yeah, so this definitely does feel like an exfoliating kind of thing. It doesn't feel like obviously like a face scrub, but it feels like you're just really getting more of the makeup off of your skin. And I'm assuming this is obviously optional. Obviously, what's most important is to get your makeup off. And you can see here, there's barely any product coming off. Can you see that? There's barely anything coming off because I already wiped everything off on this side with the remover part. So that's awesome. This is really cool. And I honestly gotta say, I am pleasantly surprised. This has exceeded my expectations. I had never used a product like this, but I am pleased, and you can see right here, and it's so eco-friendly. I love it. No chemicals, less waste, antibacterial, but make sure that you do rinse out your product. I would definitely rinse this like regardless after I use it every time. But my skin, let's do a close-up right here. My skin, besides the glitter obviously, looks and feels clean. And obviously I'm gonna go in and wash my face, but it feels clean. It doesn't feel like I'm gonna break out, because you know sometimes when you wipe your face with a makeup wipe and then you use something else before you wash your face with an actual cleanser, you're like, oh, am I gonna break out because the residue is just sitting on my face? No, because this is just water. And yeah, wipes are apparently the third most wasteful product in the world, so I can definitely see that because they're so ubiquitous. But yeah, wow, I really like this. I'm so impressed. Even the packaging, it's shaped like a little eraser, the unicorn. It's so cool. It's a special blend of polyester, works like a suction cup, made up of millions of tiny hair-like fibers, 10 to 50 times thinner than a human hair, adheres to makeup, and gently pulls it up and out of the skin. And I definitely agree. But yeah, wash, wet, erase, and exfoliate. You can wash it approximately 1 to 2 times a week, depending on how often you use makeup. And I love it. It's so soft. I just want to like keep my face in it. It just feels so nice. But it's such a bonus that you can literally just wet it and remove your makeup so fast. So yeah, in conclusion, you guys, I definitely really like this. This was a pleasant surprise. I am so happy with how this turned out. This is in the sunset shade, I believe, also, which I didn't realize at first until I read this card and I saw all the different, I think these are the different color varieties, but I love obviously the colorful one. But yeah, this is really awesome. It's equivalent to 3,600 makeup wipes, so that's really cool. But yeah, I am super impressed with this. I highly recommend checking it out. I'm so happy I discovered it in my BoxyCharm, and was really excited to give it a whirl, and I'm glad I did. Let me know what you guys think down below. Do you use this? Do you use like any other products related to it? What do you use to take off your makeup? And let me know if you'll give this a shot. As I mentioned, this card says you can use Boxy20 for 20% off. I would take advantage of it. It's really awesome. So props to BoxyCharm for including it in these trying times where maybe we're not able to go out and restock on makeup wipes and all that kind of stuff that we use. And this is definitely way more pragmatic. It's way more resourceful, way more sustainable, way more eco-friendly. So I love it. It just feels great. I can't think of a con, honestly, except for the fact that it would stay dirty until you throw it in the wash and wash it with your load. But yeah, I love that you can do it in different sections too. So you wouldn't use the dirty section every time. And you would just, I guess like any other towel, right? You don't wash a towel every day that you use it. So you just hang it up and you use it again. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know your thoughts down below. I would really love to hear your thoughts on this product. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this quick little demo. I'm going to go take a bath now and really just wash my face. But honestly, I don't feel like I have any residue on here, but I'm still gonna wash it. Thank you guys so much for watching, and hopefully I will see you in my next one. Bye.